to another adventure with Sober Singles Travel Channel. Today we are in Lutz, Florida at a little place called Happy Hanger Restaurant. This is pretty cool. So it's kind of weird when you're coming in here, you're driving out through the neighborhood and you're like, where's this airport? And then all of a sudden you're here, and people just have airplanes sitting right out in the field right across from the neighborhood. So yeah, it's kind of this is really cool. I like airplanes. I've been wanting to get my pilot's license for some time, and this may have just sparked that new adventure. I'm not really sure. However, we're gonna go in and see what's going on, how the food tastes. I've heard it's really amazing. Also, may even take a little plane ride on a Stearman open cockpit plane. Oh wow. See way up there in the float plane. Looks like it's making its approach. Wow, what a way to have a breakfast on Sunday morning. Oh, he is making his approach. This is going to be pretty cool. Stand by for the float plane to come in. I'll see if I can get a video on that. So, like I always do, I like to have people surprise me for my breakfast, and this is what I got right here. Little bacon, sausage, ham, biscuits, gravy, hash browns, eggs. Pretty cool. They need a helicopter sailing through right there. Huh. So we got some more birds getting ready to take off. This gentleman's walking out to his plane. It's so funny because they just casually walk out to their plane like it's parking our car at a restaurant. Go figure. Yeah, definitely something I need to pursue on. some airplanes take off. They had quite a good menu, actually. Of course, I just asked my waitress to surprise me. She did. Really good stuff, actually. Really good stuff. Oh, there's a float plane over there. Yeah, I'll turn around so you guys can see it. See it over there? Yeah. Pretty freaking cool. So, Janet fits in out here as an adventure vehicle, that's for sure. These are some really cool adventure vehicles. Airplanes. Yeah, definitely going to be on my bucket list. May not be able to do it right away. I think I need to lose a few more pounds or get a bigger airplane. I'm not sure which one I need. Oh, there goes somebody else taking off. I missed that one. A little sport plane that came in earlier. I think came in like a bullet, just zippity doodah, and he was on the ground and back at the restaurant in no time at all. However, we're gonna check it out of here. It's kind of cute. Looks like they use the old tires for tie downs markers from all the flats, maybe, or maybe from all the wheels they lost when they took off. That would be horrible, wouldn't it? All right, guys. This is just a random little improv of what you can do just to spur the moment. Doesn't help. Doesn't hurt sometimes. Just get out and go do something crazy, something different, something you've never done before. It's okay. Maybe, you know, it's okay just to go do something new. Get out of your realm. So many times in recovery we try to isolate ourselves, and I'm bad about it. I really am. Sometimes I get comfortable with being at home and I don't want to people too much, but yet I'm a people person. Go figure. Anyway, get out, grab some fresh air, change of thought, change in action. Good friend taught me that back at the first year. Yeah. Anyway, guys, again, if you have any comments about some of the travels that we do and some of the adventures that I'm putting on, or got some suggestions, leave a comment in the description box below. Like and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying content like this. It helps us continue to make these videos. Thank you for being patient with my editing. This is a learning curve, and yeah, you guys have a great day. Thanks again for hanging out with Sober Singles Travel Channel. We'll catch you next time.